Catalinit de Vera from Group. This article from Manila Times. The news article of Philippine Independence Day celebration is the globalization through commercialization of the event and the possible exchange of cultural practices. This suggests that global market forces the consumer's culture has influenced the way the country celebrates its nation holiday. This article has positive side. Globalization has brought attention and revenue to the Philippine Independence Day through tourism and commercialization. The celebration promotes national pride, cultural heritage through cultural performance.
Good day everyone, my name is Leslie Satangan and today I will be discussing a critical public health issues in the National Capital Region. Data from the Philippine National Demography and Health Survey reveals alarming mortality rates among children and adults, along with the high cases of malnutrition and infectious disease. The situation highlights the gaps in our healthcare, dominate making medical services costly and inaccessibility to the poor. How does the globalization play a role in these crises? What economic and political factors contribute to these issues? Globalization has worsened health inequality as privatized healthcare benefits and wealthy while the poor struggle to access medical services. Infectious disease spread faster due to travel and trade. Overwhelming occurs as doctors, nurses migrate to the richest country, leaving local hospitality understaffed. Unhealthy diets from global fast food industries lead to malnutrition and lifestyle disease like obesity and diabetes. Many countries depend on import, making healthcare vulnerable to supply chain disruption. Privatization increases healthcare costs, making treatment unaffordable for many. Additionally, environmental health risks from industrial pollution and climate change contribute to respiratory disease and waterborne illness. While globalization has led to medical advantage, it has also nations stronger governments, healthcare, and local medical manufacturing and essentials to ensure equality healthcare access for all.
Here are the negative aspects of Sinulog Festival. The commercialization of the festival has led to concern that it has lost its traditional significance. The influx of global capital and tourism by eroding local cultural practices and traditions. Here are my personal comments on how to resolve this issue. To address the issues surrounding the Sinulog Festival, a multifaceted approach is needed. This involves balancing commercialization with cultural preservation, involving local communities in decision-making, and implementing sustainable tourism practices. Additionally, promoting cultural education and awareness, establishing regulations, and fostering partnerships between local government, NGOs, and private sector organizations can help ensure the festival's continued success while benefiting local communities.
Good day everyone, I am April Jane Soriano from Group 3. This news title is Nation Celebrates Buwan ng Wika to Preserve Filipino Heritage. The article discusses the Philippine celebration of Buwan ng Wika, or National Language Month, which aims to promote the Filipino language and preserve the country's cultural heritage. Various activities such as languages competitions, cultural festivals, and lectures are held nationwide to encourage patriotism and appreciate for the Filipino language. However, some critics argue that the celebration is superficial and does not significantly influence the daily use of Filipino, with some regions having limited participation. Hints of globalization can be seen in the need to promote Filipino, suggesting that foreign languages, particularly English, have a strong influence on communication, education, and business in the country. The discipline present is sociolinguistics and cultural studies, as the article explores how language and culture interact and are shaped by external influences. The celebration has a positive impact by fostering national pride, cultural awareness, and unity. However, it also has a negative impact since critics argue that it does not effectively ensure long-term language preservation, highlighting the ongoing challenge of maintaining cultural identity in a globalized world.
Good day everyone, my name is Alan S. Aranda. For today's news, it talks about trade. So, trade news significantly impacts globalization, influencing the flow of goods, service, and investment across borders. Recently, the world leaders have warned about the risk of trade fragmentation and protectionism, which could harm global growth. The ongoing tension between the US and China for intents have led to increased traffics and distribution in supply chains. The European Union's consideration of traffics and Chinese electric vehicles is another example of how trade policies can affect globalization. Despite these challenges, globalization has the potential to unlock new growth and benefits for nations. The International Monetary Fund, or IMF, suggests that preserving and extending globalization benefits while making it more sustainable is crucial.
Good day everyone, my name is Fidel G. Memorial. I'm going to explain about immigration restriction can significantly impact globalization several ways. So decreases entrepreneurship. Restrictive policies can discourage entrepreneurs from starting business, reducing economic activity. In social impacts, cultural exchange, immigration restriction can limit cultural exchange in diversity, reducing the benefits of globalization. Trade and investment impacts. Reduce trade immigration restriction can reduce trade between countries as a business may be less likely to invest in countries with strict policies. Technological impact is a reduced access to talent. Immigration restriction can limit access to skilled tech workers, hindering innovation and technological advancement. Immigration restriction can have far-reaching impacts on globalization, affecting economic growth, social cohesion, trade, investment, and technological progress.
Good day everyone, my name is Marcos B. Bautista. Our topic today is stock exchange rate. Stock exchange serves as a vital link the global economy, enabling international and business, facilitating capital flows, fostering competition, integrating financial markets, and promoting economic interdependence. This makes them a key driver of globalization and associated benefits. While other disciplines like economics or international relations might touch upon this topic, finance is primary discipline that focuses on understanding and analyzing the dynamic of stock exchange rate.
Good day everyone, my name is Renz Magallon. My title is Rise of AI Education, the role of chatbots in learning. Educational institutions worldwide, including in the Philippines, are increasingly integrated AI-powered chatbots to assist students in learning and providing academic support. Globalization connection. The rise of AI in education is a direct result of globalization in technology, making learning more accessible and efficient across the world. Discipline, technology, and education effect is positive, and my personal comment, AI in education presents opportunities for personalized learning, but careful implementation is needed to ensure quality education while addressing concern about misinformation and over-reliance of technology.